Welcome to Desco Artistry. Alright, so my first test subject here is blue with the coconut milk hair serum. And I am just going to pour this along here. And maybe I will do another little bit through here. Okay. And just because I want to see what's going to happen, you can see that this is already forming some cells. What I'm using for swiping at the moment, this is leftover label sheet after all the labels have been pulled off of it. And I'm using the Shiny Shide. It's really lightweight and it works really well for swiping. So, when I swipe, I let just the top sit in that main color. And I just kind of do a drag. Okay? And then, if this were a real painting I was working on, I would take this top section with what I have left, and I just pull slightly this way. Okay? So, that's a pretty cool result, right? Got some good cells. So, let's see what we get with the one that we put the alcohol in. Now, a lot of people say, why wouldn't you use silicone? It makes such great cells. And truly it does. My only complaint with it is I hate the tedious work to get the silicone out. It takes, 3 weeks to dry it, and then before you can do that, you need to, once it's dry, you've got to wash it. Then you put the talcum or cornstarch on it to remove all of your, sorry, I'm walking and talking at the same time. I totally lost my train of thought. Apologies all. Real life happens here. I'm just going to go over this a little more. Alright, I'm going to give that a few minutes to see what it's going to do. I am going to very carefully add a little bit of heat. Okay. So I really am questioning how much of the alcohol I got into this. And then I think what I'm going to do is, this is just the straight blue. Okay. Let's add a little bit of white. And a little bit of yellow. And little bits of red. And once these skins dry, I will show you what I do with them. And there are many things you can do. Anything from making stationery and cards to using them in other paintings or mixed media projects. So clearly, the bigger picture here looks as if the silicone makes the bigger cells. I'm going to put one more layer down here. And I am going to, just for us and giggles, give that a squirt. So you see here, we get a different effect. But what happens if I put a little more of this white and give it one more swipe? Cross your fingers, guys. All right, and then the last one I have is just a blue with nothing, and let's see what we get with just that. And I should mention, when doing swipes, go slower than I am. I am always reminding myself to slow down. It does make a huge difference. All right, and I'm gonna now it is possible that this is too thick and needs to shift a little bit. Let's see if that makes a difference here. To expand some of these cells. Sorry guys if this is getting a little bit out of view. I am just allowing these to coexist a bit, just to see what some movement and what type of pretty patterns we did end up with that. Oh, those colors are coming out a bit. They just needed to be shifted around a little. So, you can see by all three that depending on what you're going for, changes the effect that you end up with. I'm going to grab a real quick pen. All right, so I know you really can't see this down here. I will darken this in for when I show you the dried picture and for when we discuss again when we're ready to use these as skins. Hope you guys all learned something. Please like and subscribe and ring that bell so that you're notified when I put up my next video. Please read through the description. At the bottom I have all my different links. I just opened up my Facebook group as well. So Desco Artistry is where to find me on Facebook, and if you go from there, I have a group, Desco Artistry, Mixed Media Art, that I really want to be just an open, creative forum. Any skill level is welcome. So say hi, let me know where you're from, and I hope you have a great day. Keep arting, everyone. Bye.